Dun, dun, dun. What up, everybody? It's me, Zombie Issue. Welcome back to another fucking piece of shit of a YouTube channel. Anyways, I'm sorry. But oh my gosh, that engine was fucking torture. Actually, I couldn't take this off, so I just took the chain off. This was fucking difficult as well. It was fucking confusing as shit. I finally got it off. And for the moment of truth, this shitty engine is now no more. Ah. Piece of junk. It does not work no more. I mean, I lost compression with it. The carburetor, I'm sure it's no good. Anyways. We did have spring. I'm not for sure what this does. Right here. Looks like that might be the running or something. But I finally took this engine off, so we can give it to my buddy Jerome. Hey, okay, good thing this stays on there because this is important. This is very important right here. This is very important. This is needed. Now I don't know if fucking damn it, crap. I'm just fucking. Okay, hold on. Sorry, I gotta put you guys flat down real quick. Just take this switch off and okay, good. I have a screwdriver out here. Ah, no, they're Phillips. Damn it. Crap, now I need a Phillips screwdriver. Hold on. Here, let me just. This will be better than seeing pitch blackness, so I'll just lean you guys up against that box. Oh, fine. Literally. I was losing my mind taking this thing apart. I was out of control, dude. I could not take it, bro. I was raging my fucking ass off. Oh my gosh. We finally got the crappiest engine off. And we can finally install an engine that's going to actually work. And now, after all these years of sitting, it's finally off. Now we got this switch wire to deal with. I guess we'll keep it because I'm sure it's going to come in handy anyways. Here, I'll put in the cup. Well, actually, technically, no. Never mind. No. Yeah, crap. Now I got to dig them out again. That stays here. These other bolts go to this motor, assuming they do. Anyways, that needs to be blown out. Oh yeah, by the way, we have no brakes. I just now noticed that. There's no brakes for this thing. Might need to take that brake pad off. No. I made a chair out of wood, but good thing that motor is gone because I could not take it no more. It was ridiculous. Okay, so now we got all this off finally. Hallelujah. My first time thanking Lord for a living. Literally, I never thank him. This time I'm actually thanking him. I know you guys probably aren't expecting this, but the motor that was on here, I can't make it run. I know. What a mind blowing. I'm sure you guys were not expecting that. I cannot make it run. It lost compression, and even with compression, it wasn't going to crank over anyway. So I'm going to use the motor from the water pump onto here, but hoping, or let's hope it'll match this. Let's hope it'll match. hopefully it will match this foundation. I need a bag. Ziploc baggie. I guess I better go and get a Ziploc baggie. Yay! I did it! Engine's junk now. We can get rid of it. Scrap it. Send it to Jerome. Hmm? It's junk now.
What?
It's just junk. Don't argue. It's junk. It's junk.
Oh, you pulled that bolt out and everything?
Wow, Dad, you ruined my stinking phone view. I caught that on camera. The disrespect from you is ridiculous. That's going to be needed again for this new motor.
Yeah.
So this is 2 gear, little gear to big gear, and then little gear to big gear.
But I want to know. Oh, I guess that'll work.
Here are the bolts. There's not a bag up here, but that goes to that. Yeah, I can take this motor to Jerome because I don't need it no more. If he wants to waste his anger and try and fix it, he can go ahead. I'll even give him the spark plug too. Alright, so there's also a bearing in here, or not a bearing, some kind of, it looks like the inside of a fidget spinner. Okay, that's all there. Here are the bolts that, oh, we're missing one. That's okay. I'm sure we can find another one. Oh yeah, those nuts for the nut for the wheels, they're on there good. I don't think they're gonna come off.
What?
The nuts that are holding the wheels on. Man, they're on there good.
Well, they're rusted. Need some of that PV blaster. I don't know where that stuff is.
Probably just hammer it a little. Break it. Put the hammer back up. I gotta clean all this up.
Yeah, I thought we'd go ahead and get the race car and trailer so we won't have to worry about it being in the way. Man, I broke my blade.
Broken blade, eh?
Maybe a hacksaw will work though, because I've got most of it cut out.
Hacksaw is in the
Shed.
I left it there. Oh, I thought that was a socket. That's not a socket. That's a tube for the bolt. Ugh. Hey.
And that 15/16 goes out in the trailer.
Hey. Is your dad very mean to you? Does he disrespect you? I have an idea. If your father disrespects you, like just now with him sitting on the phone, if he like abuses you, just film him. If you film him, he'll stop. Ugh. Nope, that goes in my toolbox. He'd be right here. I put it on your big wrench for you. Yeah. If your dad abuses you, just film him. He'll stop. I learned that just now. When he's on camera, he behaves different. He has respect. He sees one scratch on the car. He freaks out. Yeah, when I work on this stuff, I get so stressed out, and I'm like, I'm just bad. Okay, so this stays here. don't know where the other package is. It was out here. It was out here. I guess we just leave it up here. I don't know the other packages with that bolt. There's the cover for that chainsaw. I think that's it. Whew. Oh, we don't want to leave that. That's for the exhaust. Ow! Ah, but that there. Oh my goodness gracious, dude. I'm telling you guys, I got scratched like 4 to 5 times, and it's ridiculous. I got poked by Sharpie objects. It's ridiculous. Oh, sorry. I was trying to put the cover on. That goes. That's that. WD-40 is out. That goes. I guess we just got to find a box for this motor. WD-40 is out, surprisingly. That goes. This stays. Now we gotta fix the brakes. How come this thing doesn't have brakes? They're probably not touching the wheel, or they're probably no good. There we go. Close that big door. Go in, wash my hands, and oh, celebrate. Finally, that piece of junky engine is off of there. I knew it wasn't gonna run. Don't start with me. You knew it. I knew it wasn't gonna run. You using this box over here? It doesn't look. Need to have a box. There's a tub. Whoa. Is that my transmission? That's my transmission. It's out here getting rained on. Ugh. Oh, there's a bunch of oh, my transmission is covered, but it's probably getting wet. There we go. Found a plastic tub with the motor in. So we don't lose all the pieces. I mean, I'm sure if we give this motor to a professional, you know what I mean? If we give this motor to like a professional, or something, you know, give this motor to a professional, I'm sure he'll have this thing running in no time. But I'm not a professional, okay? I'll keep the spark plug. That's a good spark plug. It's small, but it's good. We need all the spark plugs we can get for the next project. I think that's it. Mostly got everything separated. Oh, the gas tank is no good. It was filled with rocks and dirt. There we go. We can give that to Jerome. I'll let him fix it because he said he could, so. Okay, and the rest of this goes out in his dad's shop. And we'll just go ahead and put the cover back on, I suppose. Put this tarp back on. Until next time, I suppose. There we go. Here's my earmuffs. I think he would like to have the shop door closed. But here, you guys want to go for a ride? It's like the fifth time. Everybody, say your last goodbye. And give the finger, because fuck that thing. So, it's for Jerome. He said he could fix it, so I'll let him mess with this. I'm not going to. I almost got that water pump going, and if it does run, I will put it on here. And all it needs, I think, is it had spark, and now it doesn't. I think it lost something. I think the coil gave up. So the coil's bad, first of all, no good. I'm going to find a lid for this motor and find a spot somewhere for it. So I don't think a lid will fit anyways, but it won't hurt to try though. I don't think a lid's gonna fit. That's a pretty heavy gas tank. Man. Ugh. Let's just put a trash bag over it. If we have one. Hold on, give me a second. I think there's spare trash bags. Oh, I'll put it in this tub.
Huh?
I'll put it in this tub.
Oh, man. What are you going to do with the tub?
Oh, it's not big enough. Nah, not big enough. Where are the black ones? We had them.
I think they're over there somewhere. In a box. Yeah, let's see.
Well, wind blowing in another stinking storm, is it? Oh, here's that extra wire. It was that long.
Where'd this come from?
Oh, probably from the green extension cord. Don't want to lose that. This is wire. Yep. You can sell this. I'm sure a professional would love to get this thing going.
Yeah.
So make sure you take it somewhere with you and try and sell it. It's all there as far as I know. I'm not a professional. I know a little bit. All I know is the basics. clean the coil. If it has spark, give the carburetor, or like, all I know is weed whackers and chainsaws, you know, that kind of small stuff. Check the coil, clean the coil, clean the magnet. If it has spark, put it on. Find a spark plug that works. If it has spark, take the carburetor apart, replace the gaskets, give it a new diaphragm, put it on, fill it up with gas, crank it, and that's pretty much all I do. But now, I want to put this in the shed actually, so I'm gonna have to turn off the camera, put this in the shed and store it, and it'll be for sale. Since it's this bad, if anybody wants this motor, leave in the comments down below. I'll sell it for $50 for this motor.